whole way home in the Uber tonight, and the driver was like, "Ma'am, are you okay?" I was like, I don't think people understand how stressful this job is. I wouldn't trade it for anything in the world, but it's so stressful. It's a break. Everyone is trying hard. Hi, my name's Danelle Schmall. I am a ER ICU nurse, currently in New York, working the COVID, working a rapid response for COVID, and yeah, today was a really rough day. It was a really rough day. It's a really rough. I don't know. I just feel like there's only so much anyone can take. I'm tired of walking into rooms and your patient's dead. You just walk into a room and there's a dead body there. I'm tired of calling families and telling them that news. I feel so much sadness for my fellow nurses and sisters and brothers that have lost their life taking care of people. I feel bad for the patients who aren't living, especially the ones that are hanging on by a thread. I don't know, I just feel like people think just because we're like a healthcare worker that we are somehow immune to this, and we're not. I cried the whole way home in the Uber tonight, and the driver was like, "Ma'am, are you okay?" I was like, I don't think people understand how stressful this job is. I wouldn't trade it for anything in the world, but it's so stressful. I wish sometimes people could just understand to give us a break. Everyone is trying hard. Everyone is trying hard. We all are. We got in this field to do a bad job. We're stressed just like everybody else, and sometimes I think people just forget we're human too. We're human just like everybody else. We have emotions. The same thing that affects you when it affects me. I just can't show it at the moment. I just wish we would all have more compassion for each other. Everybody. If you ever feel like any other time in the world is appropriate to have compassion for each other, right now is the time that we should all have compassion for each other and try to at least acknowledge what the other person's going through. I just have so much sadness for this. It's almost 10 o'clock at night. I have to be back at work at 6:45, and